Okay, the problem here is a saggy garage door chain. If you can see that. Thing sags so much when I shut it, it drags on the door. So we're going to tighten it up. It's real easy. See that bolt and screw right there? One side of it's like a set screw. We're just going to loosen that, tighten it, and then put the set nut back on, and we'll be good to go. So this is the set screw, or the set nut. I'm just going to loosen that, give myself some more space, and then I'm going to tighten this nut here. And as I get that thing tight, that's pulling the chain tight. Really, you just want to loosen the set screw and give yourself a lot of room so you can keep tightening the tightening nut until your chain is as tight as you want, and then come back with the set nut. So I have a T-rail, and the proper tension for a T-rail is a half an inch off the rail at the midpoint. So between there and there, half an inch off, so I need to tighten just a little more. And you don't want to get that really tight because that can actually snap your the cog that runs the whole thing there. So then we're just going to put the set nut back on. Just tighten that a little bit. Alright, that's pretty good.